Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna restore a completely dead eyeball tab, which is the model Q-40i. So I know I don't make voiceover videos, but this video needs it or you won't understand any single thing done in this video. So let's hop in. Okay guys, so let's check the tablet. You can see it is completely dead. I can't do anything. The power button and volume up button and down button also doesn't work. Anyway, I got another replacement tablet which I'm gonna test what and all is working and not. Putting up in charge, it doesn't charge. So the battery is dead. I think the motherboard is working. Let's set that aside and check the replacement tablet. You can see it has a broken screen, bad back. It has good power button and volume up button, and it has an UI error. So we are gonna flash and do it, flash and repair it out. The touch isn't responding because the visualizer is completely dead and it won't respond again. You can see the UI is completely corrupt. So let's go and flash this ROM up. Okay, this is the flash file. Let me open the SB flash tool. Okay. So let me check the scatter loading file. Oh, oops. That's not the thing. I'm looking for the downloading agent. Gotcha. Now the scatter loading file, that's the main thing. It defines the processor of the system and what and all needs to be flashed. Okay, open. Now you can see a lot of things come up. Now let's select what and all we need to flash or not. You can see preloaded, U-boot and stuff like that. It will all be flashed in a single device. Now let me click the download and connect the system to my device. I have already downloaded all the drivers need to be connected to the PC. I'm gonna click format all plus download because the UI error might repeat if I firmware upgrade. Now let me take my tablet and connect to it. There it is connected. Now you can see a pop-up screen and a red stuff which shows that the device is connected and the software is downloading the flash. Now you can see it is formatting. That stuff is connected directly to the PC. Now the bootloader is downloading. The flashing is persist. So guys, I have skipped the video. Now you can see the flashing is successfully completed. I don't know why the download OK pop-up is incoming. Okay, no problem. We're actually gonna skip it and it actually came. The video recording actually crashed here. So the flashing was successful. Now let's move on to the fixing of the tablet. You can see I'm opening that stuff now. You can see the lens. The lens is a bit dirty, so we are gonna replace the lens. Now let's take a screwdriver. And disassemble our first device, which is completely dead. removing all the screws, removing the battery, disconnecting the display, vibration motor. That's the flash and camera. Now we're gonna take the whole motherboard out. You can see that's one single piece. Now let's disassemble the next tablet. Okay, I'm gonna careful about doing this because if anything goes wrong, I have to buy everything once again. It was a big hard to open it because it wasn't opened again. It is the first time it's opened by me. Okay, let me remove the camera lens so that I can replace it later. Now we can see everything. First of all, I'm gonna try to remove this battery, and it is a very hard task. I tried it for about 5 minutes to take it out, plugging in the screwdriver, pushing it. I was in fear that it will fold. So guys, this will take a while. Please skip the video. I'm trying hard not to break it and open it up. At last, I need to unsolder the wires and pull it hardly. Yeah, I got it. There was a little bend, but the battery works fine. Now let me take all of those bad stickers, disconnect the display, and yeah, disconnect this laser. I'm screwing off the screws, taking out the motherboard a little by little. Yeah. Now that's the real display, IPS display. I'm gonna just wipe it over because it was a bit dirty, not a bit, a lot dirt was in there. Now let's clip it back in. Okay, that was a bit hard because if I break it, then I need to buy a new one, which is absolutely not possible. I just searched a lot online and I couldn't find a single piece of spare part of this product. I was lucky to get this tablet. I mean the spare one. The popping back the motherboard. Okay guys, I am aligning it correctly because if anything goes wrong, the motherboard will be fully corrupted. I don't know if this motherboard works again. I actually didn't check it. It was my fault. Screwing off the screws up. I didn't mean screwing, I mean twisting the screws and fixing up that motherboard. Hell yeah. So yeah, the motherboard is connected. Now let's put on the battery and solder it up. Actually guys, this video almost has a long length of 1 hour. I cut it up and it is now 15 minutes guys. So please give me a like. I deserve a like because I just cut up a lot. And there's a lot of editing done in this video to make sure that everything went correctly. And you know it's hard to repair while the video is on, so I have soldered the battery. And yeah, now that's the working but not working motherboard. Putting back that volume up and down button. Actually, I don't know why the volume up and down button wasn't aligning correctly. Maybe the digitalizer frame doesn't fit it. But anyway, I fitted it up and put the volume rockers. Well, yeah, the motherboard didn't work, so I replaced it with another motherboard. I need to do this all again. Oh my god. Removing all of those shit tools. So guys, I was probably gonna give up because this wasn't working at all. The device I replaced a lot and this wasn't working at all. Yeah, I didn't give up. I just tried and yeah, the motherboard is out of it. Now let's take that old motherboard and solder the battery. Put the motherboard in the case, in the cabinet, the little cabinet of the motherboard. Hell yeah. So that's the old motherboard. Let me just unsolder the mic of it and solder back in the mic because the mic wasn't working. The mic has a little technical difficulty. Yeah. Now let me screw in everything. And yeah guys, the phone fixing videos will be available every month and other videos will be available once in 2 weeks. Let me connect the display, fix the battery, solder it up. Sorry if any background noises are available because it's raining right here. Now let me click on that back cover. Oh, I forgot to put the volume rockers in. And yeah, it didn't align correctly. And yeah, finally I just put the back cover in and yeah, it was tuning on and working fine. So guys, after a lot of work, I'm very tired. I was very tired. And yeah, it took a long time to boot up. So yeah, as you thought, I waited a long time for boot to up. Screwing it in. Okay guys, the boot animation is on. Now I hope this will boot up to normal state because this is another motherboard and it isn't flashed. The old custom ROM is in there. I mean the stock ROM. So guys, I'm praying for it to boot up. Oh my god, it goes up.